motor vessel Texel of Kustvaart Harlingen, where Ilko is currently skippering for our Freedom Chips, has a ship's dock for security purposes. They encountered bad weather on the North Sea. In the background you can hear how all the mugs and cups in the kitchen area rattle from side to side as the ship rolls in the heavy weather. The poor dog, looking for comfort, glides from one side of the bridge to the other with every roll of the big ship. On the shopping list they'll request anti-slip socks for the dog. The gale continued for 2 days. They have changed course and speed to ride out the storm better and arrived in port safe and sound.
Soms